أعوذ بالله من الشيطان اللعين الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله الملك القدوس العزيز الحكيم والصلاة والسلام على نبينا وحبيبنا وسيدنا ومولانا أبي القاسم محمد اللهم صل على محمد وعلى محمد واللعنة الدائمة على أعدائهم أجمعين أما بعد فقد قال الله تبارك وتعالى في قرآن الحكيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم واعلموا أنما غنمتم من شيء فإن لله خمسه وللرسول ولذي القربى واليتامى والمساكين وابن السبيل إن كنتم آمنتم بالله وما أنزلنا على عبدنا يوم الفرقان يوم التقى الجمعان والله على كل شيء قدير. درود پڑھیے محمد وعلی محمد صلی علی محمد وعلی محمد. ذات ممنین ماہ مبارک شعبان کا چاند نظر آ گیا ہے. آپ سب کو مبارک ہو. ظاہراً یہ وہ مخصوص مہینہ ہے جس میں مسلسل ائمہ طاہرین کی ولادتیں اور اسی طرح سے مخصوص نیمہ شعبان روزے ولادت امام زمانہ جل اللہ تعالیٰ فرج الشریف اللہم صلی علی محمد وعلی محمد. فقہ کے ویکلی لیکچر کے اندر آج ہمارا موضوع خمس ہے، ریلیجیس ٹیکس. خمس قرآن کے اندر سورہ انفال کی آیہ وافیہ ہدایہ میں اس طرح سے بیان ہوا ہے. 41ویں آیت ہے سورہ انفال قرآن مجید کا 8واں سورہ اور آیت کا نشان 41. ارشاد رب العزت ہو رہا ہے وَاعْلَمُوا أَنَّمَا غَنِمْتُم مِّن شَيْءٍ فَإِنَّ لِلَّهِ خُمُسَهُ. جو کچھ تم غنیمت پاتے ہو اس کا 5واں حصہ خدا کے لیے ہے. وَلِلرَّسُولِ اور رسول کے لیے ہیں. وَلِذِي الْقُرْبَى اور ذی القربہ کے لیے ہیں. وَالْيَتَامَى وَالْمَسَاكِينِ وَابْنِ السَّبِيلِ اور یتیموں مسکینوں کے لیے، ان لوگوں کے لیے جو راہ میں چھوٹ جاتے ہیں. متاسفانہ انفارچونیٹلی اس وقت تک یہ ان واجبات میں سے ہے کہ جو آدھے لوگوں کو سمجھ نہیں آ رہا ہے اور آدھے لوگ سمجھنا نہیں چاہ رہے. خمس کو اگر دیکھا جائے تو باقی واجبات اسلامی کی طرح سے یہ بھی ایک واجب ہے، لیکن دوسرے مذاہب اسلامی سے متاثر ہونے کی وجہ سے کچھ جگہوں پر صریح قرآن کے ساتھ اس کو سمجھنے میں مشکلات پیدا کر دی گئی ہیں، نہ کہ پیدا ہیں. بڑی سمپل سی چیز ہے کہ بقیہ دیگر تمام مذاہب کے اندر کوئی نہ کوئی ٹیکس، ریلیجس ٹیکس کا کانسیپٹ موجود ہے، بالکل اسی طرح. Because Islam is a holistic religion. Along with the spiritual responsibilities, every Muslim also has financial responsibilities. One of these financial responsibilities is khums. Khums is a 20% obligatory Islamic tax on some items that we own payable under specific conditions. First condition, is the thing should be acquired. And the second condition for the payable thing, which is surplus from your expenses, which is excess, which is extra after all your expenses as per your life standard. KHUMS, which literally translated to 1/5, is an annual tax that is a form of charity parallel to zakat. KHUMS is a part of the Islamic economic system that aims to bring justice to society and strengthen humanity by requiring Muslims to donate 20% of their excess. 20% of their excess wealth or saving or surplus. So whatever you need to expend on yourself, on your family, you are allowed to expend. And after the expense, the remaining amount, which counted as a surplus or saving, 20% of it is payable and which called KHUMS, 1/5. This is split in two portions, Sahme Imam, the portion of Imam, and the Sahme Sadat, portion of Sadat. And not on everything. It is on the specific, those things which are remaining and which is detailed, you can see in Tawzul Masail. When you look in detail, Tawzul Masail of Ayatollah Sistani, I have here. I want to show you. And you look after the Masla number 1720 in old version and 1760 in the new version, which printed in 2012. I have this version, and in this you can find it 1760 above all the discussion about KHUMS. So these 5 things, which is loan to others, the loan which you give in to others already, that is access to you. That's why you give in to someone, right? Unused food stuff. Very simple. If you look at your grocery cabinet, in your fridge, in your home, whatever excess after 1 year, the cash which is saved with you or in your bank after 1 year, excess property or vehicles which are not using for more than a year, and same the unused clothes, furnitures and homewares. The main thing which we need to understand is, first of all, homespare should make one specific date from the year. For example, the 1st of January will be my home's date, or the 1st of Ramadan, or the 1st of Muharram, because most of the people believe, as per hadith narrated, whatever you do charity in the Ramadan, it will count, multiply by 70 times or 40 times, which is narrated in hadith. So some people prefer to start their home's month in Ramadan. Okay, so for example, 20th Ramzan or 15th of Ramadan, which is Wiladat of Imam Hassan Mujtaba alayhi salatu wassalam, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. I'm making intention that date will be my first day of year or end of year. So on the day of 15 Ramadan, I have to look whatever unused food stuff I have, whatever loan I given to someone, whatever saved cash I have, whatever excess property or vehicles, unused clothes and furniture and homeware, whatever is unused is logically, it is excess for me, especially when the people are dying for a piece of bread, when the people are looking for a shade to live in it. How can someone have access in these things? That's why it's obligation as per Islamic regulations. You have to pay 20% of this amount. For details, if you look, there's a 7 things which is khums wajib on these items. The surplus or profit of income, first thing, which I already mentioned and in detail. And the second thing, the legitimate wealth or amount which is mixed with the illegitimate wealth or amount. For example, I had some halal money and I got some haram money and it mixed, and I don't know the exact amount of both portions in this condition. And there is 5 more items which is like mines and minerals, precious stones obtained through diving, and treasures, land that kafir dhimmi buy from a Muslim, and the 7 spoils or booties of war. And that's why I specifically mention in 2 different colors, because these first and two item are common and general for everyone. And rest of the 5 items, you don't need to go in deep and start discussion about that. Whenever you found a treasure or one of these, then come to me, I will explain to you. Okay? Don't worry about that. Now, back to the item. The first thing, which is the remaining thing, the surplus thing, the excess thing from my use, from my expenses after year, is payable. For example, at the 15th of Ramzan, which I said, it's my first day of year, I have $10,000 cash. It means after whole year, I paid my mortgage, I paid my insurance, I paid my school fees, everything, installments, and now I have $10,000 remaining in the account. And I have some clothes, some shirts someone gifted to me, and it's remained with me. Okay. For the gift items, you have to look for your marja, by the way. Okay. Or your marja is allowed you to keep gifts without paying khums or not. Ayatollah Sistani, for the excess gifts which unused remains until 1 year, Ayatollah Sistani said it is item which should be paid khums of it. Okay? If it's, I have a gift, 1 year I have it and I'm not using it. So, look in the wardrobe, in your clothes, and there's one shirt someone given to me more than a year I have, one suit someone given to me, and it was not fit, and I made intention, inshallah, I will lose some kgs and I will fit in this, and it never happened. So that's why it's with me. So I have to calculate the cost of it. For example, it's a $200. Okay, and other items again $200. It's a $400. I have some shoes which I never use for more than a year, $100 for this. In the kitchen, I have some food stuff which remain on 15th of Ramadan after all my expenses and dawats and food and everything. So lump sum, I will do it $500. So in total, I have now $10,000 cash and $1,000 amount against these items which remains unused for the year. And if you look for other things, same way. And you need to calculate as a lump sum amount, not exact amount. Definitely the suit you got gift, you don't know, it was in sale or special price or someone giving to him, and after years and years you're getting it. You don't know. You can just guess and ask or search on Google. Okay, easy way you can find the similar price of the item. So from the $10,000, I have to pay $2,000 khums, and from the $1,000, again $200. So I am paying $2,200 khums from $11,000 wealth. Now the remaining amount will be my white money for whole year. Now the point which should be noted here is this. Next year, again, in my account, Alhamdulillah, there is $18,000 cash saving. So the $8,000 is carrying from the last year, which already paid. Wala khumsa fil muhammas, the thing which is already paid khums on it, don't need to pay again. So again, now I have to pay just on $10,000, which is saving from this year. Clear? Now, one more thing. The important thing is that whoever paid khums, Almighty Allah increases his wealth. Believe me, trust me. I saw so many people. I witnessed so many people. Even don't worry about that. You have $100 in your account, no problem. $20 pay khums of it. You have nothing in account. Go at house on the 15th Ramadan. You have some food. You have just one extra pack of pasta, some drinks, some tomatoes, onions, some rice, some drink. All these things is $100. You pay $20 homes. That's okay. Never ever look how much you giving or paying for Allah. He knows better our intentions and the reality which is going in our heart. And it is promised, by the way, by Imam. Whoever take care of us, we will take care of him. And this is Sahm Imam, the portion which is wajib to pay for Imam. और याद रखें, जिस तरह से हम गासिबीन अहले बैत पर लानत कर रहे हैं, ये भी हक के इमाम है जिसको गस्ब किया जा रहा है. और ऐसा ना हो कि हम खुद ही अपने लिए इलाही आमीन कह रहे हों जब गासिबीन पर लानत की जा रही हो, हम खुद ही बेशुमार कह रहे हों बैठकर. और याद रखें, इसके साथ साथ this khums amount will split in two portions, Sahm Imam and the Sahm Sadat. The Sahm Imam portion of khums is delivered to the approved Maraje, and the Sahm Sadat portion will be delivered to the Sadat from the family of Ahlul Bayt alayhi salatu wasalam. And it's good to mention here, Muhammadi Welfare Association has permission to collect khums by Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Sistani. And Muhammadi Welfare Association got this permission, which called Ijaza-e Khums, permission to collect the khums on behalf of Ayatollah Sistani in 2014, okay, or 13, long ago. And we are permissible to use the amount of khums in our expenses, and we are sending the remaining amount to Maraje, and then from the office of Ayatollah Sistani, they are giving us the original receipts on behalf of the people who pay khums to us. Inshallah, Almighty Allah may increase our strength, our health and wealth, and keep us blessed with the Muhammad wa ali Muhammad alayhi salatu wassalam. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. जी, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali. Any question? One thing I want to mention here, you can see here, وَعْلَمُوا أَنَّمَا غَنِمْتُم مِّن شَيْءٍ. There is one objection on this ayah, and unfortunately most of the translators doing translation of it and known that anything you obtain of war booty, the ghanimtum translated as a war booty. And really, if you look, it's not like this. Ghanimat is real translation in this, whatever you acquire. जो आपका माजाद आपको बच जाए, जो मुनाफा आप कमाएं. There was some, we have some specific people who self-claim professors of Quran. He came to me with this ayah, Maulana Ghanimtum is like this. And luckily, with the same Surah Anfal, ayah 69, there is again same word. You can see, fakulu mimma ghanimtum. I say, what you will translate here, this word? And it says, so consume what you have taken of war booty. Means what? Again, you are doing same translation here. So no. Whatever food you acquire and you have will be halal for you and पाक फॉर यू. अगर इस आयत में गनिमतुम का तर्जुमा जो तुम्हें मिल रहा है वो किया जाएगा, तो इस आयत के अंदर भी फिर इसी तरह यही तर्जुमा किया जाएगा. जब एक ही वर्ड है, एक ही सूरा है, तो ऐसा नहीं हो सकता जहां मेरे मुनाफे की बात होगी और वहां. या दूसरा सवाल कि ये उस वक्त की बात थी जब जंग हुआ करती थी. अगर जंग हुआ करती थी तो फिर ये खाने पीने की भी हलाल चीजें उसी वक्त थी जब जंग हुआ. अगले सफ़े पर ये आयत है, वकुलु मिम्मा गनिमतुम, जो गनीमत तुम्हें मिल जाए उसमें से खाओ जो हलाल भी है और पाकीज़ा भी है. तो हकीकत में जो भी चीज खुदावंद ताला ने हमारे लिए हलाल की है, हर हलाल शय के अंदर एक ऐसी खासियत रखी है कि जिसको हलाल तरीके से इस्तेमाल किया जाए तो उसमें इजाफा हो जाता है. इन्हीं में से एक रिस्क है. रिस्क को अगर वाजिबात तमाम अदा किए जाए तो यकीनन उसमें इजाफा है. और रिस्क सिर्फ खाना पीना नहीं है, बल्कि इल्म है, सेहत है, औलाद है, ज़ियारत है, यकीन है. ये सब वो रिस्क की अक़साम है जो खुदावंद ताला की तरफ से हमें अता की. इंशाअल्लाह अल्लाहुम्मा अर्ज़ुक़ना रिज़्क़न हलालन रिज़्क़न वासिअन तय्यबन व ताहिरा व अल्लाहुम्मा अर्ज़ुक़ना फ़िद दुनिया ज़ियारतल हुसैन व फ़िल आख़िरति शफ़ाअतल हुसैन व हुवा अहसनु रिज़्क़ बिरहमतिका या अरहमर राहिमीन. अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व अला मुहम्मद व अज्जिल फ़रज. कोई सवाल है तो